Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, the best place for everyone who want to know all the secrets of the natural healing. Today we are going to talk about the anti-inflammatory diet and how can you come up with many ideas for the meals. I know it might be very much boring when you rotate just between few kind of food. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Basically, we break down all the inflammatory diet into the chunks. So we have the carbs, we have the fruits, we have the veggies, we have the proteins, we have the good oils. And then from all these categories, we pick the most essential and the very highly anti-inflammatory 10 foods. First segment, which is the carbs. So what are the most anti-inflammatory carbs that we can implement? It's sweet potatoes instead of normal potatoes, then brown rice instead of normal white rice. We can use all the gluten-free substitutes, means gluten-free noodle, gluten-free pasta, corn, so we can use corn flour, gluten-free tortilla, quinoa or oatmeal. What are the recipes with these ingredients we can actually implement? So for example, is the boiled corn, salad with the corn and chickpeas balls, you know, like the one protein balls, overjacked sweet potato mash, sweet potato fries, boiled brown rice, veggie broth with brown rice, onions and tomato, gluten-free noodles and vegetables, gluten-free pasta with homemade tomato sauce. All this together give us already 11 ideas and 11 recipes. Then we have a fruits, and with fruits we can literally go mental because there's no fruit restrictions when it comes to Endo diet. But the most anti-inflammatory and the best ones are berries, any kind of berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, cherries, bananas, apples, watermelon, pineapple, pomegranate, grapes and citrus, orange, grapefruit and lemons. And you can use them in the berry smoothies, banana shakes, banana pancakes, gluten-free, banana honey and cinnamon as the dessert. We can bake our apples, and all that together give us already 18 recipes. Then my lovely, you've got the vegetables. And the most powerful and the most amazing vegetables when it comes to Endo diet are all the green ones, which is broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, Brussels, peppers, tomatoes, cucumber, bok choy, spinach, kale, Brussels, carrots, turnips and avocados. You can boil or roast the broccolis. You can do the ratatouille with the peppers. You can do filled bell peppers, which are vegan, using the rice. You can bake the cauliflowers. You can do the spinach stew, the spinach omelette. You can do the roast carrots, avocado salad and smoothies. Then the anti-inflammatory proteins, which is salmon, eggs, nuts, seeds, all the pulses, legumes, beans, chicken, if you eat meat, or almonds. I absolutely love beans, love hummus, love 3 beans salad. So all that together give us already 35 ready recipes. Then we've got another section, which are good oils, such as fish, mackerel, sardines, salmon, that contains omega-3, olive oil, avocado. Then we've got another category, which is the natural sugar. Contains most of our fruits because the fruits are full of sugar. It contains the honey, carrots, almond butter and dates. And then you've got the last category of the foods that are contributing to your gut happiness, which is the kimchi, pickles and sauerkraut. So basically, pro tip, list down every single anti-inflammatory food from all of these categories, use it as your shopping list, and then literally Google for 2 recipes from each category. After all, you're gonna end up with over 100 new recipes that you can try literally at home. And you are asking me, Yola, is this anti-inflammatory diet for life? And my answer is anti-inflammatory diet is nothing else but human diet. This is what you're supposed to be eating normally anyway. It's nothing restricted. But you see, we are living in the society which give us totally different definition of the food. Most of the food shouldn't be even called food, because fast food is not food. Majority of very processed foods are lacking any nutrition. Therefore, we have a lot of people who are literally obese, but at the same time starving, because their body cannot work properly, because it lacks of nutrition. So don't see it as the punishment, see it literally as the blessing in disguise that allows you to go back to the normal human diet and get on top of your health once again. Please have a look at this. Bang! I hope this video helped. As always, I love you so much. If you've got any questions, I'm gonna drop my email down there so you can always find me. I will see you in another video very, very shortly. I love you so much. So much love from my heart to yours, and I see you very soon. Bye! You see this in front of my eye? That's the ring light.